Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making up this incredibly delicious dish. Creamy spinach bacon stuffed chicken. You're gonna love this, so let me walk you through it. So let's make the filling with 8 ounces or 225 grams of cream cheese. And about 5 strips of bacon that I fried up. A handful of spinach. Salt and pepper to taste. So what I'm going to do is mix this up until it becomes super creamy. What I have here are 3 chicken breasts, and they're fairly thick, and that's what you want. So what I'm going to do is put a slit in the center just so you can stuff them well. Alright, after that I'm going to scoop up a couple of heaping tablespoons of the mixture, put it into the center of the chicken, and secure it with a couple of toothpicks. I'm just going to season this up with some paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to transfer these into a baking pan, lined with a baking mat, or you can do this with parchment paper. A little bit of olive oil on top, just to keep them moist. So we're going to bake this about 375 for about 30 minutes. I should mention too, if you don't want to bake this, you can always pan fry it, just until they're fully cooked. After about 30 minutes, there you have it, our spinach bacon stuffed chicken. Absolutely gorgeous and delicious. So let's give this a taste test. It's so delicious. I love the cream cheese, I love the spinach, I love the chicken. Chicken is so moist. You gotta try this. For all the details on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Super recipes. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.